Titles ay yung mga pangalan po ng ating mga innovation. Nova from Peps Java, Solans, AI Now, Smart Waste Management, Smart Guide, Lenslator, Sand, K-Bot, Stat, and ano to? Awit ba to? Awit. Alright. So maraming salamat. Ito lang po. If kids, if you didn't win, it doesn't mean na hindi maganda ang gawa ninyo. All the innovation, ideas, and projects na pinresent nyo sa judges natin are all very good. The only thing is that siguro nagkatalo tayo ng points, but everybody has scored what is essential and what was the kung ano yung binigay ninyo. It is well awarded, it was well recognized. The only thing, it's a contest. So there will be winners and there will be non-winners, but everybody should applaud the kids because of the thinking and innovation na meron silang ipine-present sa mga judges natin. Alright? Kids, win or lose, the idea should always stay and you should pursue whatever your ambition or your innovation is. Alright? Promise ba yan mga kids? Alright. I would like to call Mr. Alex Villanueva to assist for the awarding, please. President Sani Cosio and Vice Raul Carriaga. Maraming salamat muna po sa members ng DFBC to help us with the segment today. Maaga po tayong matatapos. Okay. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung points, but this is the People's Choice Award. This is from Peps Halwan, Lenslator, nasan po ang mga batang are? Ali kayo dito. All the teams, come kayo sa stage. Please come on stage, please. Runner-up from Peps Shaba. Project name is Sand. Sand, S-A-N-D. Sama na yung mga parents. Runner-up. Maganda pa kami sa gabi. Thank you very much. The second runner-up from the new Filipino Private School, Sharjah, K-Bot. Ang unang basa ko, kala ko kilabot. Oh, all girls. Congratulations. Ayan po. The first runner-up from Far Eastern Private School, Hall 1. Project name, STAT. S-T-A-T. Okay. Congratulations. The project name is IT from Bex Shabash. IT. Hindi ko ba? It? Kasi may nagre-request pala, since kayo yung champion, baka meron kayong cheering? Cheering champion ba kayo? Sige, cheer muna! One more!
Basta Shabat kakaiba!
Alright. Congratulations, guys! Ayan. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga matatyagang parents. Mga stage parents po, maraming salamat. Again, sabi ko kanina, yung mga teams natin na hindi pinalad manalo, it doesn't mean hindi maganda ang project. It's the only thing that the innovation would stay. Ipupush po natin lahat sa whatever the innovation that you have and your ideas. Maraming salamat po. I would like to acknowledge the judges for this segment. Architect Eric Pahot, Engineer Alex Villanueva, and of course,